My ideal student would be that kid when he was little, saw a phonograph or a DVD player and had to open it up to figure out how it worked. Always losing his dad's tools, and then he'd get it apart somehow, and he would sit there and stare at it and look at it just like a puzzle and sit there and how does this work? If you can solve puzzles, you can do troubleshooting, and you'll lead it down to one specific point. And that one point is usually what the problem child is. I'm an instructor for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning here at Centura College. 40 years of experience between Navy and military and the outside industries. I've learned a lot. I've seen a lot of different sides of everything, and from here I can pass this on to the students. That's why we have this lab. This way they can make their mistakes here and learn their mistakes instead of going out there and maybe having it happen on a customer's unit. They can make the mistakes here. This whole new lab is only less than 3 months old. It's all been put together by the students. They did all the work, all the hands-on. All we did was show them what to do. Hands-on is the best way to learn. What we do is we start off with the basics and we go back to old school engineering, such as the old Mercury style thermostats. We're teaching them all those safety aspects and how to understand it and how to respect it. Being able to how to understand and read schematics as far as electronics, high voltage, wall outlets on 20 and 240. All the basics are the same between this machine, and that machine over there. It's all basically the same. It's just that it's designed different. But it still uses the same wires, same electricity, same everything else. It's just putting it together. We'll come in there and we'll show them on the board exactly the schematic side of it and what works, what doesn't work. And then we'll come out here and we'll have something already set up, like a wire loose or a broken wire, where they have to find that problem. And we don't tell them. And we'll try to lead them into the right direction, but we're not going to give them the whole answer. They have to use it and figure it out themselves. As long as they got a basic common sense of mechanical knowledge and how things work, they can take off. Because we show you everything you need to know. All the training, all the tools. Within your first couple weeks, you get a complete set of tools. Meters, gauges, pliers, hammers, so on and so forth. All your basic hand tools that you're going to need. By the time you're done with this, you're ready to go to an employer and he'll ask you questions and you'll be able to answer them. I think it's phenomenal. The whole idea of having the lab and the class, the college idea came in and everybody had to go to college. Well, everybody started doing that and the trades started falling off. Welders, heating and air conditioning, all those mechanics disappeared. Now we're hurting for them. Every building that you look at, I don't know how far you go, is gonna have an air conditioner or a heater. And somebody's gotta fix it. But there's just not enough technicians out there. I wanna see them succeed because I know I'm not getting any younger. So if I know a kid that I had in my class and my AC needs fixed and I'm too old to climb up there and do it myself, I wanna call him. And I'll know that they'll be there. I can call any of my students. We're not finished here yet. There's still a lot of work to do. I need more students to help me put this place together. Come on in.